Write your own CSS. So in which box cursor is available, that box we want to highlight it. Highlight. Compared to normal boxes, this box should be in the different look. What is your expected different look? Write the CSS code inside this one. Hmm? Hmm. Suppose I want to apply the box shadow, sir. Yesterday we discussed this one. Box shadow equals to 0, 0 followed by some 10 pixels and blue color. Box shadow equals to blue color. Apply the shadow. Which tag, sir? It is applying the shadow. When it is applying the shadow, sir? Whenever the focus is comes. Okay. For which tag it is applying? In which tag the cursor is comes, that tag is going to apply. Which tag I am not mentioned here. So I didn't specify it. It takes automatically all the tags. In which input element the cursor is comes, that input element it is applying the shadow. So click on the box. Again come out. Again click on. Click on this one. But what is the advantage of this one? Focus and user easy identification. You designed a big form, application form. But where is the cursor? And if you are searching instead of that one, they can easily identify my cursor available here only. That is the benefit of that one. Blur not designed, sir. If you are interested, you can write the same style blur also, right? But now focus is applying for text box as well as the password box, both applying. But I want to apply this focus only for text box only, sir. I want to apply this focus only for text box. But now, as per this logic, in this form or in this web page, how many input elements available? For all input elements, the shadow is applied. Text box, password box, number box, date, time, email, checkbox, radios, buttons, everything is applied. But I want to apply only for text boxes only, sir. Combination required. So what is the combination, sir? Attribute selector. Only for text boxes I am saying. As per this program, you have only one text box. But imagine one big application form is there. But ID selector correct? No, because in big application form, how many text boxes available? So many text boxes. So, but ID selector is not correct. So instead of that one, you can go for the class selector. That is something better. But class selector compared to, I'm going to explaining one more shortcut. Reasons are, if I define one class selector here, how many text boxes available? For all the text boxes, I have to write the mapping. Without mapping, class selector never going to applying. So, but I want to apply the code without mapping, sir. Attribute is the best option. So attribute selectors, they're represented with angle brackets. Square brackets are called as attribute selectors. Inside that, write your attribute. Type is attribute or not? See that why it is called as attribute, sir. What is this part? Attribute. Then only it is called as attribute selector. Type equals to text. So if you remove this one, this is attribute selector. If you remove this one, this is the pseudo class. If you combine this one, combinator, combination of two selectors, attribute with the pseudo combination. Type equals to text focus. What is meaning, sir? Apply this focus only for text boxes. Apply the focus only for text boxes. But in this web page, 30 text boxes available, sir. 30 text boxes it is applying. You don't need any mapping also. Mapping also no need. Because this attribute is matching. Yes. This value is matching. Yes. But how browser recognizing, sir? Browser checking all tags attributes. Each and every tag inside attributes available, that checking. If any of the tag attribute is matching to this one, exactly, then applying the styler. So this English word is matching. then it is applying the style. Blindly it is applying the style. Now see that. Click on second one. Any shadow? Why? It is a password. Click on first box. You have shadow here. Mm. But what about the password, sir? Just knowledge purpose. Repeat this one once again. And now write the type equals to password. And shadow is red. And actually, my intention is writing multiple times, so registering more in the brain. Mm. Passwords different focus, text box different focus. So you could attribute to selector also we are getting an awareness. Both are getting the focus, but one blue color, one red color. Same place we can also write the blur. Blur also we can write same place. When you come out of the box, it is applying the shadow. This one, when you are entering into the box, it is applying the shadow. Enter, exit, to evolve. 9 o'clock, you entered. 11 o'clock, exit. So entry called as focus, so exit is called as a blur. Entry time, I need one CSS. Exit time, I need one CSS. Write the both focus and also blur. Your choice. Next one, colon H over. Next one is colon H over. H means this one. Hand over. H. Hand over. Hand in the sense what, sir? When a mouse pointer hand symbol is comes. Especially anchor tags. Anchor tags will get this symbol. So this is my mouse pointer, sir. Whenever the mouse pointer comes over the your tag, whenever the mouse pointer comes over the tag, I want to apply some CSS here. On which tag mouse pointer is available, that tag I want to apply the CSS. Then you can go for the H over. It's not for anchor tag, for any tag we can use. But I'm explaining with anchor tag. But other tags also we can use. Any tag. What you are doing, sir? Color changing, sir. Color changing. Color followed by take something, whatever it may be, some teal. Which tag I said here? No specification. So it is applying for all tags available in this page. All tags applying. Program not completed. First check it. Come on to the web page. Color changer. See that teal color. Change the teal color. Oh. So applying for text box, passwords, headings, everything. How many tags available in this program? That all tags are going to affected because combination properly not given. So blindly browser applying for every tag of the page. No, sir, I want to apply for certain tags only, sir. Write the combination. Suppose I want to apply only for H1 tag, sir. H1 tag selector with H over. This is tag selector. This is pseudo selector. Now combination. Reason also I'm explaining. With the reason I'm explaining why I'm writing like that. Now refresh it. Applying a H over? No. Applying a H over? No. Applying a H over? Yes. Come out, come in. Come out, come in. Come out, come in. Mouse over, mouse out. Mouse over, mouse out. So this is the H over. Color changings. What happened? Changing a color? That is H over. What happens? Underline changing a H over. Click on the box. You'll get a special blue color box. Focus. In which box the cursor is comes, that box is getting the focus. Facebook applied border, we applied shadow. Live examples, live scenarios. So focus available here. H over available. H over also available. So like this, I'm also trying to do the small things. So take some couple of anchor tags. H over effective to buttons and anchor tags maximum. Other tags also we can use, but effective applying anchor tags and shows. If any of the websites one hyperlinks available. Whenever the mouse pointer is comes, a hyperlink color changing. Some websites are color changing. Some websites are background color changing. Some websites border applying. Like it depends upon the developer. But effect అయితే conformly available. Without effect, nobody is going to designing. So take some anchor tag, create a couple of anchor tags here. Side by side, I'm creating it. These are the anchor tags. Hmm. But now these anchor tags, I want to apply the CSS. But why anchor tag is H over not applied, sir? Because what you mentioned here, H1. If you remove this one, see that applying anchor tags applying, heading applying, even text box also applying. So pseudo classes always expecting some combinations, sir. Always expecting the combination. Combination not available, blindly it is applying for all pair. But the whole page is going to applying. It's not good thing. Hmm? What I have to write now here, sir? A colon H over. Apply the H over only for anchor tag. Now go and check it. Heading, no change. Text box, no change. But color problem is there. We'll change other color changing, but not visible clearly. Orange I'll take. This is what we are observing generally in the websites. Hmm. I want to remove that underline also, sir. I explained already. Text decoration. Use that one. Change the color. Plus remove the underline, sir. Super. Normal anchor tags comes with certain color and underline, but H over anchor tags comes with orange color and none option. Underline gone plus color changed. This is the option. Hmm. So whenever the mouse pointer comes over the your tag, if you want to change the appearance, write the code inside H over. Hmm. Next, like that, we have some visited links also, sir. Visited is only for anchor tags and not for others. And long back I explained anchor tags by default blue color it will comes. If you open that anchor tag, it comes to the purple color. And a visited anchor tags comes in purple color. Fresh anchor tags are comes with red color. Active anchor tags are comes with sorry blue color, and active anchor tags are comes with red. So blue, purple, red, total three. Original anchor tags. Already we opened anchor tags, purple, and active links, red color. At default colors. If you are interested to change the colors, write the CSS. I don't want blue color, sir. Write the CSS. I don't want purple, sir. Write the CSS. I don't want red color, sir. Write the CSS. By default, anchors comes always with blue, purple, and red. Long back, I explained this point. And I said, this is your interview question also, I said. Remember or not? Sure, huh? ఇది యాక్టింగ్ లాగా ఉంది ఒరిజినలేనా ఓకే రిమెంబర్ అయితే వెరీ గుడ్ అమ్మా నో ప్రాబ్లం యాక్టింగ్ అయితే ఇట్స్ ఎ డేంజరస్ సో వాట్ ఆర్ ద లింక్స్ we already visited? That link's color I want to change into different, sir. Right here color equals to green. Which one, sir? Anchor tags. Anchor tags visitor link is green. A few minutes, I'll remove this one. All are greens. Reason, we already opened that links couple of times. Google, Facebook, YouTube, previous days examples also we used a couple of times. Then only they directly changed it into this one. If you want to get into original color, do one thing. Clear the browser history. Because if you clear the browser history, which links you opened already browser doesn't know. So original color, blue color is comes. Otherwise, write here some address. Just like as A, B, C. ABC. First time whether we are using? First time. Then will comes to BC. Try to open it, sir. Color not changed. Why, sir? And error. The page is not opens properly. If the page is opens properly, you will change the colors. Uh, So these are the fresh links. The A not available, sir. B not available, sir. C not available, sir. We want to check it, sir. Then do one thing. Write one dummy program. Save with A dot HTML. Save with A dot HTML. Message is hi. Hmm? Back to here. Write this one A dot HTML. The link working or not, you will get the clarity. The hi message. What is the color now? Green. Actual అయితే purple. So purple replaced with the green color. System color purple. I don't like purple. So I change it to my own color. So which links you are already opened, which links you are already visited. For that links, if you want to apply any makeup, we have the special class. It's called as visited. The came it in orange. So visited and H over. Next, three more pseudo classes I'm going to introducing now. One is first child, another pseudo class, first child. One more is last child, first child, last child, and one more is nth child, nth child. Uh, Pseudo classes say because colon symbol is there na, so colon symbol we have it's automatically pseudo class. But what is the use of these pseudo classes, sir? Before explaining, first we are designing some code. We need some parent and child tags concept because like the pseudo classes names you can observe that one child in clear level. The indirectly one clue is there. It is applying only for the child tags only. So compulsory you have to write some program related to parent and child tags. For better understanding and easy understanding, I'm taking the OL tag, order list. OL is the parent, LI is the child. You can take any other parent and chase it. Table tag, TR tag you can take. Or TR tag, TD tag also you can take. Or field set to lesson tags also you can take. Compared to those, this is easy to understand. Reasons are, I need 1, 2, 3 numbers. Because on which tag I am applying the style, fifth tag answer. But 1, 2, 3 numbers available, got a fifth tag you can easily identify. 1, 2, 3 numbers not available, you have to count it. When I'm explaining every time counting is not possible, getting problems also. Then only a numbers available tag I'm taking. In explanations, I'm saying simply I'm applying to seventh tag, I'm applying to ninth tag, I'm applying to 11th tag like that. I'm creating one OL tag with some company names. You can take any data, that's not a problem. Around 10 plus LI tags I'm going to creating here. Required as a 10 plus 3 also enough, sir, but 10 I think we are effectively understanding it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8. So order list is ready with almost 11 items. OL tag is ready almost with 11 items. These are the items. Now I want to apply the styles for these tags. 11, sorry, 12 items available. But all these 12 items, I want to apply the style set. Yes, we can go for yesterday's explanation, child selector. OL space LI and write the CSS, automatically all are going to apply. These all. As per our last session explanation, you can simply go for the child selector, OL space LI. What is this one? Child or not? Child selector. Now styles are applying for LI tag. So when I write like this red color, my all childs comes with red color. But my requirement is all childs no, some childs only. What to do? Class selector is one option. Define one class selector in this place and map this class selector to your required number of childs. It's a little bit of long process because selector designing easy, but mapping this one to number of tags is a little bit time taken process. That what instead of that complications, use these pseudo classes. I want to apply for my first child set. Only first child I want to apply the CSS. Solution number one, ID selector. Define one ID selector, map this one to first child. Solution number two, class selector. Define one class selector and map to first child. Both possible, but both cases one drawback what sir ante mapping extra task. Mapping is extra task. Okay sir, that also I'm ready to face. So I place it here ID equals to I. Otherwise class selectors equals to C. Super style is applying for only first child. Tomorrow rankings changed. Google comes to second place, Oracle goes to first place. But what happens? The companies together rankings changing common, but as on today Google is the top one, suppose Oracle second place. 1 week after Oracle comes to first place, what happens? Oracle moving to top place, Google moving to second place, along with the Google style also moving or not moving. But the style we have to apply first child together. But what to do? You should remove this part from here and write that part again here. For 1 week after, maybe again changes after 1 month after. And whenever this company's position is changing, every time your mapping code is also, you have to change. Live example, your IPL points teams. Like if you observe the IPL points table, at teams ke colors available. right? Color fixed, but team is going to changing అది. How color fixed team only changing sir అంటే they're using some special code. And if you go for ID selector or class selector sir, whenever the team shifting to second place, your color is also shifting. That is not wrong, right thing. 100% it is a wrong. Without these complications, this risky process, for the simplest process, they introduced this classes. So what is the class sir అంటే first child. Apply the style for first child. Who is that first child? Google or Oracle? I don't know that one. In first child, who is sitting? Apply the style for this person. I'm applying the styles for positions, not for the content or not for the data. So apply the style for first position child. Who is that? Who is available? That one. Now color is red. First child you mentioned. Who's first child? That we are not mentioned. Observe that one. Childs, first my family first child available, your family also first child available. Who's first child? Ramarao's first child, Nagesh Rao's first child, Chiranjeev's first child, or Shivakumar's first child. A clarity required kada. Before that, OL space LI. Apply the style for first child. Whose first child sir into OL's first child. The first LI tag apply the style. First LI tag apply the style. Google. And now what we discussed that is implemented. Change the position, sir. But now Oracle comes to first place. Refresh. What happened? Style same, but data is going to change. Some days after AMD comes to first place, sir. No problem. I don't have any problem. My style is working perfectly. So some days after AMD comes to first place, sir. Data moving, but style not moving. Because I'm applying the style for positions, not for the person. Who are sitting in this place, that person changing into red color. Put easiest code. In the same place, if you imagine the class selectors or ID selectors, to the risky process. Whenever the data shuffling is going on, CSS is also changes required. This is first child, sir. Same way, last child. I want to apply the CSS for my last child also, sir. We have the predefined selector last child. Color is green. Last place which child is available, that child is going to applying the style. So AMD red color, CA green color. Just for knowledge purpose. Change the positions. Change the positions. Get the Cisco into first place. Get the Cisco into first place. Take the open text to last place. Open text to last place. Working or not? That is easiest code. Okay, sir. Super. First child, last child, okay. But what about remaining childs? When they are hurting, every family it is happens. First child special treatment, last child special treatment. But middle child, nothing is happened. All missing. Birthday celebrations, no. Really, fact. If you ask any new cycle, buy a cycle is there, na? Take that one. If you ask the new shoes, buy a shoes is there, na? Take that one. If first to last, all getting birthday celebrations, new books, new dresses, new cycles. If middle child, second child is there, na? Nothing is getting. In every family, this happens. Hmm? Hmm. Hmm? Sacrificing, sacrificing, sacrificing. Hmm? Now, happens in your family or not? If you have the three kids, huh? But sometimes as two kids case also it is happens. Some families say the two kids. First kid, everything celebrating grandly. Second kid, problems, financial problems or something. And all middle class families. Even books also, buy a books, dresses, buy a dresses. Both are boys. Both are girls. మీ అక్క డ్రెస్ ఉంది వేసుకోపో If you ask the hair clip, your sister clips available now, use that one. Sticker, use that one. Like these all are internally feeling or not. But we want to cover these also. I want to apply the CSS for SAP, sir. I want to apply the CSS for Salesforce, sir. So for that, they introduced one more selector. It's called as a few minutes. This one put in comments. So what is that selector, sir? And nth selector. The very, very clear pronunciations are nth position. The which child? Any child. Which position you given? That position. Nth means you know na value 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5. Which value you given? That value. Or how browser knows, sir, which child? Get a brackets available, man. You have to write your position. On arrays, you have 0, you have 1, you have 2, we are writing na arrays. You have 0, you have 1, you have 2. Here also we have to write that positions. And indirectly indexes, but index starts with 1, not 0. So apply the style for fifth position child. Apply the style for fifth position child. So what is the color, sir? Blue. Whose fifth child, sir? OL's fifth child. Red removed and I placed in comments, sir. End of the explanation, I'll activate that one. For understanding of this one, these I placed in comments. Fifth child applied the blue color. Which position you given? That position. You can say any one number. Well, total we have 12. Huh? Next. 9. 11. 12 highest, sir, because we have data only 12 only. So within 12, you can take anything. If I use the 13, sir, no style is applying. Simple thing. So which place you need, that place you can add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, something up to 12. Hmm? Can I write the 2, 3 numbers as sir 1, 5, comma like this? No chance at all. You can check it. No chance. All gone. Hmm. So more than one number it doesn't accept. So you can write only one number only. So we can write position like as arrays indexes pattern. Next one. One more option is there. What is that one more option, sir? Odd. All odd numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 12. Sorry. 13. So how many odd positions styles available? For all those, it is going to applying the styles. And if you want to perform with this one class selectors, long process. Because almost 6 odd styles available. 6 times mapping required. Can I apply the same thing for events, sir? Where the odd is there, automatically even also there. Even 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So odd numbers, even numbers are particular number. 3 places. Next, fourth option, sir. For mathematics formulas also we can use. Mass formulas. Limits search lo some formulas available. So what is the formula, sir? 1n plus 1. Mass formulas. 1n plus 1. Second one representing from which place you want to start the style. Apply the style starting point from the first child. Okay, from first child onwards I started. Super. Next, which child? After first child, for every child we want to apply that one. For every child, 1. And 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. For this number is going to adding. So started 1 gather. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. Indirectly, style applying starts from first place. First place after which child? Plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1 up to 12th child. All childs it is applied. Next one, sir. Suppose an idea purpose. What is meaning of this? Applying starts from uh, fifth child. Fifth position onwards, it is applying the style. Fifth place after sixth. Next, seven, eight, nine, 10. And a fifth after again plus one, plus one, plus one, plus one. The starting point, you can decide it yourself like this. So 7, 7 after plus 1, plus 1, plus 1. Now again back to 1. This no, starting from 1, no? Well, again plus 1, plus 1, plus 1. But in one place, so I'm going to writing the 2. What is meaning? Starting from 1 and next plus 2 and 3. Next plus 2, 5. And indirectly odd numbers are applying. Odd numbers applying. Next 3n plus 1. Starting from 1 no, plus 3, 4, plus 3, 7, plus 3. And for every third child, I want to apply the style. This one, for every second child, I want to apply the style. For every fifth child, I want to apply the style. For every fifth child, 1 plus 5, 6, 6 plus 5, 11. For every fifth child, it is going to applying the style. But suppose I wrote like this, and this is the meaning. Black and white shirt. What is the meaning? But almost 7 examples I explained together. 7 points. What is the meaning of this? Starting from 5. Next 3. 3 means 8. What is meaning of this 3? Starting from 5, correct, very good. Then what is this one? మళ్ళీ ఏం చెప్తున్నాడు? Concentration in lesson here. Starting from 5. Next 8. So after 5 for every third child. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 plus 3, 14. 14 plus 3, 70. If you there. So n fixed, sir. That is the formula. This point to this point, you can change as per your interest. So for every fourth child, I want to apply the style. For every third child, I want to apply the style. For every seventh child, I want to apply the style. Write this one. For every nth child. For every nth child. And this is representing from where you want to start the applying. So this is the starting point and this is nth child after this point. So directly one number we can write, or you can write even keyword, or you can write odd keyword, or you can write a small formulas like this. Which one you are interested, write that one. But more than one number it doesn't allow. So it's already shown practically it's invalid. No chance this one. Hmm. Okay, after deciding of all these things, finally I fixed it to odd. Explained over. Now implementing all odd positions as well as all even positions. So alternative coloring is comes at half blue colors and half cyan colors. This is alternative coloring is comes like this. But in this alternative coloring, మీకు IPL points table observed మీకు 10 teams ఉంటాయి. 10 teams లో ఫస్ట్ వన్ రెడ్ కలర్ అయితే నెక్స్ట్ బ్లూ కలర్ ఆల్టర్నేటివ్ కలర్స్ 10 rows 10 different colors like this. That is this one. But what about the first and last, sir? Now you can activate the first and last also. Well, first child, last child special కదా. Our parents created this nature. First child, last child special. First child all burdens. Last child bindas life. No burdens. No work. If any work is in home, sir, assigning your father to elder kid. Not younger kid, arams relaxing always. So, మన ట్రెడిషన్ అది we have to follow. Hmm? So first one, last one, different appearance, sir. Middle, all the things, alternative colors. There one small guideline, sir. When you're writing the nth child, first child, last child, one rule we have to follow. What is the rule, sir? First I designed the first child, last child, then I applied the nth child. It's not correct order. It is not correct order. Red, green, lifelong if you try, it doesn't apply. Reason, what you mention? Odd. If first child where it will comes? Odd కదా. First child అంటే 1. 1 means who's that? Odd number. So this one overwriting by this one. Last child means, sir, as per our program, even number. And that is overwriting by this one. But these two becomes useless. Because the first child means compulsory either odd number, even number, confirm అది, no doubt at all. Even the last child also compulsory either even number or odd number. So when you design the separate styles for events and first and last, then you should not write this. No, sir, I want to follow this one, I want to follow this, sir. Order should be like this, shuffle the order. But now first child is working, last child is working, even numbers working, odd numbers also working. The rules are compulsory to follow. Rule also I explained reason. You are writing nth child. Nth child inside first available compulsory. Nth child inside last also available. So some of the pseudo classes are set. Special all are. And these pseudo classes, if utilized properly, or regular CSS code, some complications reducing. Example, especially ID selectors and class selectors. Okay, next I'm going to next model, pseudo elements. 5 to 9. Middle only 5 to 9 required. So 5 to 9 we can't write that one. We don't have any formula. 5 to 9 అంటే మిడిల్ రేంజ్ కదా. We don't have any option, but I'll try. If it is working, we'll discuss. Otherwise, we'll leave it. And only some range of the tax specifications అయితే no option. Because I already said it's not allowing the more than one number. So if you want to apply the particularly from this place to this place only, sir, we don't have any direct option that one. Okay, I'll try. System అయితే not providing, but I'm trying. We'll see what happens. So we'll just manage it with technique and then. I said already, no direct option. Direct option not available. I'll try with that technique and so I just manage it like this and then. What are the positions you need? For that we go rotate some style. Remaining positions will get back to normal. Hmm. The direct option not available. I already said. I'll try in the sense so technique and the gambling. Direct option అయితే not available, madam. We have to follow the small coding skills and thing. Okay, moving to the next one. Pseudo elements. The pseudo classes is something special for us. And before closing this one, observe the combinations, sir. Pseudo class with attribute, pseudo class with tag, pseudo class with childs. The situation demanding, sir. Pseudo class with ID, pseudo class with class also possible based on the need of the situations. A combination not available, outputs getting some clumsy because it is considered the all the tags. Next, moving to the pseudo elements. Here also the same problem. Pseudo elements also by default it is trying to apply for all tags. For stopping of that one, we need some combination. But pseudo elements is something special, sir. What is the something special? Now we completed around 8 types of selectors. But all these 8 type of selectors, one common point what, sir, and the style applying for your element. But whole element it is applying. ID selector or universal or tag or child or direct child or attribute or pseudos applying the style for the total tag. The tag starting to tag ending. Tag starting to tag ending. The complete top to bottom it is applying the style. But pseudo elements is special. Not like that. You can choose I want to apply the style forehead only. It is applying. I want to apply the style for neck only. It is applying. I want to apply the styles for only hands only. It is applying. We can apply the CSS particular part of the tag. Particular part of the tag, not for the whole tag. Particular part. Which parts are? It depends upon availability of the pseudo elements. So remaining all selectors except the pseudo elements. So remaining all the selectors, they are applying the style from the top to bottom of the tag or element. So this is your tag and it is applying the style. Any except the elements, top to bottom of the tag, it is applying. But yesterday shadows applied. Where is sir? The whole tag it is applied the shadow. Background we changed color. Where it is changed, sir? Total color background is changed. But pseudo elements, this is your tag. I want to apply the style only for this part only, sir. Possible. Possible. As some part of the tag. I want to apply the style for after the tag, sir. Yes, possible. That is also. Like that, based on the availability of the elements, we can select the part and we can apply the style. That is a special of this. So, moral of the story, if you use any pseudo element, the style not applied for the total tag. Some portion of the tag it is applying. Some portion of the tag only it is applying. Reminding you know that one, it is represented with double colon symbol. Purpose not explained, sir. Purpose not possible. Yesterday I already said. There are 7 elements available, 7 elements, 7 purposes. But a pseudo classes observed together, 6 classes, 6 different purposes. We can't say in the single line. And this is also in the same manner, sir. It is applying the style. Which tags, sir? All tags. Better go for the combination for giving something better answer. Original selector is this only, sir. Use always combination for proper outputs. Purpose not explained. Remember that. But if anybody is asked the question, what is the pseudo elements purpose, sir? Say no answer and Japan. No problem. There is no answer. Yesterday example, remember kada? Last end of the class, what I explained. Chicken biryani, dosa, chair example. Same. Okay. If I want to explain the pseudo elements, first I need some data. They're not small data, big data required, sir. First, a data task I'm completing, then I'll start the CSS. Text box is required. Text box placeholder. Enter username. So placeholder, enter password. Two input elements required as sir. Yes, sir. How to apply the makeup for placeholder? Text box makeup, you know that one, but placeholder also we can apply the makeup. Further separate CSS is there. Next to take some couple of headings. H3, HTML, H3. Okay, you can take some Java full stack. Some data required, sir. H3A compulsory, yes, sir. Yeah, you can take span tag also. You can take paragraph tag also. You can take division tag also. I don't have any problem. But some tag is required. Which tag your choice? Which tag you want to use? That is your choice. Hmm. So Java full stack, Python full stack, and as well as the .NET full stack. Three H3 tags. In these three tags, H3 places, you can take any other HTML tag. There is no problem. Which tag you remember, that tag write it. H3A not compulsory. But why you are using H3 tags, sir? Last rows also got the better visibility purpose, big size data I preferred. And there is no extraordinary reasons. If I take the span tags, let us say small comes. If I take the heading tag, let us say big comes. So last rows also they can see easily. That is my intention. And program H3 only compulsory and don't feel like that. Next to 2, 3 paragraphs or 2, 3 division tags. Right? More lines of text required. So more lines kada best paragraph. So 2 paragraphs I'm taking here. Two paragraphs. Data your choice. Just open the paragraph, dot, 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 close the paragraph. Tags important. Tags important. Tags order is important. Content is not matter. Next, after this one, OL tag, UL tag. OL and UL, both I'm using. So OL tag is same tag I'm continuing here, but data, this much of data not necessary. I'll remove some of the just for formality of 4, 5 companies names, sir. This is OL tag and write the UL tag also because UL related also some CSS elements available separately. Those elements works on only on OL and UL tags only, not other tags. Okay, done. For my explanations, how much content is required, that much of content I prepared. If anything is missing, later I'll add it. So first go and check the output without the CSS. This is original output. And no makeup, normal output. No makeup, normal output. Hmm. Now we are starting the very first with the placeholder. Placeholder. And enter username, enter password, and text is there. Na? For the text, I want to apply the makeup set. I want to apply the makeup. So generally, if you want to apply the makeup for placeholder, ID selector, tag selector, so class selector, so 100% doesn't works. Really a set. Try input to tag selector. I'm writing here. Input to tag selector. Color equals to red. Changing a sir color. Changing, but not placeholder color. Data color changing. Data different, placeholder different. Really yes sir. Go and check it. Change the color. No, but type data color changing. But suppose in the same place, if I write the ID selector also, which color changing? Data color is changing. If I write the class selector dot C, data color, but placeholder color never going to change. I use this is one class selector and map that one here. Class equals to C. Line number 24 mapping also done. Line number 15 defined to line number 24 mapping. Where is red? No. But I want to change this color, sir. So separate CSS is available. It is called as placeholder. Selector name is placeholder. Colon placeholder. Use it to change the appearance of the placeholder. So for that placeholder, separate markup. Text box separate markup. Only. ఇక్కడ separate markup మళ్ళీ దీనికి separate markup ఇక్కడ ఐబ్రో ఇదేమంటాం ఐ ప్రొటెక్షన్ అది హియర్ వీ హ్యావ్ అగైన్ మేకప్ అగైన్ మళ్ళీ దిస్ వన్ హియర్ వీ హ్యావ్ సమ్ అప్లయింగ్ ఏదో రెడ్ కలర్ పింక్ కలర్ అప్లయింగ్ సంథింగ్ రైట్ మళ్ళీ ఈ బ్లాక్ వాట్ దిస్ వన్ మళ్ళీ అగైన్ అప్లయింగ్ ద మేకప్ సో ఎవ్రీ పార్ట్ ఈస్ అప్లికబుల్ మేకప్ yes yeah they're applying not every day especially while attending the functions or their function conducting their engagement or something available all these things are going on doubt no doubt together so for only one IE how many makeups going on one no two three and somebody they are placing something also here placing or not you general I'm talking market public market only small part to four selectors you are applied say that one not 1 2 3 4 four selectors so that is this one for every part separate CSS we can write and now see that sir placeholder color changed but data no CSS data is comes to black color data color if you want to change it go for regular selectors id or tag or something you can use it so okay color is pink color and text alignment also I'm changing I need the placeholder in the center so two styles for placeholder Placeholder only separate appearance. Data which color, sir? Black color. Data which side, sir? Left side. Data black color, data left side. Placeholder style not affected to original text box. Original text box style not affected to placeholder. So you have to write separate CSS for both. So separate to compulsory. This is a, but now whole text box applied a style, some part of the text box applied a part. That is what I said. Elements are affecting to some area of the tag only, not the total tag. This is first one. Sir, before that you didn't mention that one, sir. Yes, because placeholder supported by the one and only tag, input tag only. You don't need to write any tag names. Because heading tag inside placeholder not available. Paragraph inside placeholder is not available. Placeholder supported the tag is only input tag. Next one. A blinking line. A cursor, sir. It is cursor. Next one, colon before. Next one is colon before, double colon before. So what is the meaning of before, sir? Before in the sense pre. Before the tag opening. I have open tag here. My tag is open. Before opening the tag, here I want to apply some CSS. Okay, parent tag, so open tag available, closing tag available, right? So this is tag open. Before means in this place. So body tag before I want to apply some CSS. H1 tag before I want to apply some CSS. Possible, sir? Yes, we can write this one. Prefix, suffix, mathematics, programming terminology, pre-operations, post-operations. But my tag closed here. Tag closed. After closing the tag, I want to apply the style. Possible. Before opening the tag, I want to apply the style. Possible. No doubt at all. 100%. That we can write before, and next one is the after also. But colors, so background colors, so if I apply it, it's working, sir, but not visible to your eyes. Reason? If before H1 is there any data? Na? If you apply the color, what happens? Not visible. So space and a gap applied. When you apply the gap, some it is going to existing like this. Otherwise, we can use one special property, content. Special property, content. Content inside, I'm writing the some hi-yo, hey-yo, something like this. Hmm? What is meaning, sir? Every tag opening before display the common message, hey. How many tags, open tags available? Every tag before you will get the common message, hey. Check it. This is, hey. This one, even paragraphs, even OL tag, UL tag, and also LI tags. In this program, how many open tags available? Open tag before every tag before you will get this is the common message. But why the text box it is not coming like that, sir? Text box open tag, sir, it's a unpaired tag. Text box not paired, it is a unpaired tag. Unpaired tag lo open tag, closing tag is there? Then only it is not applied. Any unpaired tag, it is not applying. And go to the top of the page. First two, some highs available. Can you identify? For which tag that one? Head tag. HTML tag, body tag. A head tag CSS not applicable here. Not remember a point. Head tag invisible kada CSS. So the first tag is HTML open tag. Second tag is the body open tag. Head tag also available, sir. మీకు already I said last week. CSS starting days I said కదా head tag CSS is not applicable. Invisible tags CSS is not applicable. నాట్ రిమెంబర్ అనుకుంటా. నాట్ రిమెంబర్ ఇక్కడ క్లియర్ తెలిసిపోతుంది. నాట్ రిమెంబర్. నాట్ రిమెంబరింగ్ అంటే ఓన్లీ ద థింగ్ ఈజ్ యు ఆర్ నాట్ రిఫరింగ్ ద బుక్స్. సెకండ్ థింగ్ ఈజ్ నాట్ ప్రాక్టీసింగ్ ప్రాపర్లీ. If you refer the books regularly, if you practice that one, 100% you are remembering everything. Hmm? This is the common thing, sir. How many open tags available in your program? Every open tag before this message is going to display. We can apply other things also, but message very clearly visible and I selected this part. That's all. But now I want to apply this message not for all tags, sir, only H3 tags only, sir. Combination. Before that, right here, H3. So only H3 tags before you will get that message. Space. If you need space, I think here you can use manually one space. Other tags, no hey, only a 3 H3 tags before only. So, hey Java, hey Python, hey .NET. That's all. The same way, colon, after, and after closing the tag. After closing the tag. Once again, content equals to by, okay, by. Hmm? Hmm. So every tag ending will get the by. And the last two lines also we got extra. That is the body tag closing and HTML tag closing. Last two lines. Instead of text message, we'll try another thing, sir. When emojis available kada, try emojis. With smiley symbols or tick symbols or something, you can try like that. Supporting us, sir. 100% supporting, sir. So there is no doubt at all. 100% it's supporting. End on the samada. No, yeah, already we have codes కదా. Uh-huh. Codes compulsory. Yeah, yeah. Uh-huh. Sure. So colon after content equals to thumbs up symbol. At last we got it. That one. This is. So thumbs up is displaying after every tag also. You can see that one. How many tags available? That number of times this one is comes. As usual, I'm going to writing H3 tag only for H3s. So every tag before one common message, every tag after one symbol. Every tag in the sense every H3 tag. So a blue color your original tag. Blue color area original tag. Before, after. Pre-incrementation, post-incrementation like that. Pre-content to post-content. So one more time it is proved. I applied some CSS, but the whole tag is not affected anything. Before the tag it is applied the CSS, end of the tag it is applied the CSS, but not the total tag. One more time proof. And next one, first letter. First letter. In academics textbooks, newspapers, if you observe that one, when they started the news, when they started the explanation in the chapter, first alphabet, how it will comes? Different than the other alphabets. Big size, color different, background color is also different. That is this one. Applying the style for first letter of the tag, not the whole tag, only first letter of the tag. Which style you need, write that style here. Suppose color equals to white and background color equals to black. Mostly textbooks pattern. Even newspapers also. And letters, sir. Letters small size it will comes. I'll increase the letter also. Wait. You can observe in all the tags, the first letter different look is comes. One more time I proved. These not affecting to a whole tag. It is affecting to only the first letter. It is some portion of the tag. But it is applied for every tag, sir. You don't want every tag because we need only for paragraphs. That is only I created the paragraphs. Only paragraphs, first letter differently comes, we can observe. Can you increase the size also, sir? How, why not, sir? We have one special property, it is called as font size. Detailedly later I'll explain. Font size equals to some 26 pixels. We know font size. On a regular in computers also font size, font settings are available. Not HTML. In MS Office, Paintbrush, Notepad, if you go for any software, a font settings option is there. A font settings inside, font sizes available. 2, 4, 6 and numbers available. That is this one. So letter comes to big size also, see that one. And a textbooks, newspapers especially. This is the way of to printing. Hmm? First letter. If I remove this one, what happens now? whole paragraph it is going to apply. Whole paragraph applied. This is total tag. Even if I write here ID selector hash psar, then also it is applying for total paragraph. If I write the dot psar, then also it is applied for the whole paragraph. But when I write like this, only the paragraphs of first alphabet getting the change. Hmm. Like that, we have some more elements, sir. Program not completed. So we'll continue on tomorrow's session. And tomorrow we have class, but a small change in the timing. Instead of 9 o'clock, 9:30, I'll start the session. Same time, half an hour late. Uh, 100% we have class, but I'll start the session at 9:30. Any problem? మరి ఇక్కడ ఏదో some feelings ఇటు వచ్చినాయి. Huh? అంటే without announcing also I can run that one, but 9 o'clock you are coming, half an hour you are sitting like this. Why am I announcing that one? Online and offline both. Tomorrow class starts at the 9:30. Thank you all.